Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE 400 4MATIC for sale. I can do a quick video walk-around tour, show you this vehicle, and of course, if you have any questions, just reach out to us on our website. We'll have to walk you through any of the features, or you can set up a test drive, and of course, you can reach us at feldmanimports.com. So, this vehicle comes in a white exterior. And we have an espresso brown interior, power memory seats, driver's seat with lumbar support, sunroof, steering wheel, and hopping inside, we have a turnkey ignition. Got our display here currently showing navigation and backup camera. Below that we've got a CD player, got some buttons here to access some of the different functions on the display, volume controls, do have heated seats here, and then your full climate controls right down below that. Cup holders, cigarette lighter and ashtray. You've got your access to different sport modes. This will affect how the vehicle drives for you here. And then we have our command module here, a little touchpad for making adjustments on your display. You also have the dial here as well, and then you can push down to select. Okay, go ahead and hop out, show you a few more things. And of course, we're not going to go over everything here today, but again, just reach out on our website and we'd love to walk you through any of the additional features and even set up a test drive if you like. Quick peek back up front. I'm going to look at that sunroof with front and rear. Coming around to the back, we have our GLE 400 badging, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging as well. Power opening and closing trunk. And push button to close. So once again, if you're interested in learning additional information about this 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE 400 4MATIC, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.